What's up, guys? Airsoft 28 and the review of my M28 K-arm sniper rifle. Got a 9x40 scope on her. Got the bipod. Of course, the goddamn orange tip. As you can see. It's bolt action. Flip the bolt back, pull her back, put her back down. Safety's right here. There's no light in here, I'm gonna go turn on some light. There we go. Yeah, safety's right there. The receiver. Mag comes from right here. Oh, there's a BB. Comes with dual mags. I use .30s. Right there. This is my first Airsoft review, so just don't eat me out. The whole gun is about 4 feet. Goes about 450 to 500 FPS. Very accurate. I can hit people right square in between the goddamn eyes perfectly. It's a pretty dope ass gun, I'd say. Got it off of airsplat.com. Paid about 200 bucks for it. Goddamn, it's pretty good. This has been Airsoft 28 Airsoft review. M28. See you around. Have a good day.